Guys, I am a world champion. Yep. Yeah, I got a gold medal, and now we about to go through. Yeah, you see it. You know, let me get close to the camera. You see it? Oh, you see it? Oh my goodness, bro! I don't even take this off anywhere I go. What is you talking about? I'm a world champion out here for real. So now we're about to go through the film, actually, and watch some of the fights. So this is the guy I fought in the final, and he played the Turkey guy. So we're gonna watch this here, and here we go. I'm gonna watch, and I'm gonna talk about kind of. Hold on, let me turn this up. Yeah, I'm a world champ, bro. I'm a world champ. Yeah, Russia was here. Russia, bro. They kept doing that, bro. They was doing so much of that. Russia. They came so deep, bro. Russia was like vicious, bro. They just came with so many people.
First to the stage in the white corner with the white pieces. Put your hands together for Shayamektov.
Guys, bro, hold on. Let me pause this. This man is absolutely massive. Bro, he was in person, bro. He like 6'4", 6'5", maybe. Or he's a very big human being. I was out here when I was like in the ring with him. I was like, oh, this is different. Oh, this is different. This guy is very big. There's Team USA. Team USA. There go me. Yeah. I was ready. Bro. I was ready. I mean, you know, the shorts is very small on us too as well. We had our cups. You gotta wear your cup. So I'm playing black. I'm playing with the black pieces. Y'all was out, bro. Watch, Link player. Watch, bro. This gets serious. I also blundered in here too. Like I was just instantly moving. I knew one thing. My strategy was just move extremely fast. Like you know, we play so much bullet. Like this is a blitz game basically. Move extremely fast. You know, so I did blunder in here somewhere, and I actually had a poker face. And if you would have found it, I'm gonna tell you what my idea was. But I definitely blundered in here. Let me show you. So I'm playing black. I'm playing Black Lion. I actually got a course coming out on CHESSABLE with this for black. You don't need to wait for him to click the clock. Technically, no, but you know, because he said his move. Yeah, exactly. I was able to grab some time very early. You can see the clock there. I'm up a lot of time. And here I blunder. So guys, I blunder right here, bro. Like I literally blundered. Knight G4, and I was like, bro, what am I doing? But I didn't care. What he can do right now, if you can follow my cursor, is Bishop takes F7. If King takes F7, he can go like Knight takes E5 or Knight G5 or whatever. And because the rook's here. So Bishop F7 was technically winning, but my idea was to just play King D8 and just don't care because I'm still going to win the dark square bishop. I'm going to play Bishop C5. I'm going to play Rook F8. Technically, I'm worse, obviously, but it is a fast game, and I'm already up a minute on time almost. So I'm just going to blitz him. Like, I didn't care. I was just moving extremely fast. And so he thinks, and when he was thinking, I was like, oh, shoot, I actually thought he was going to find it. Can you give us a brief rules on this? Yes, Link player. We do 3 minutes of chess and then 3 minutes in the ring, and you win by either checkmate or knockout. One or the other, checkmate or knockout. That's how it went. So right now we're in the chess part. Right now we're in the blitz portion. If you are missing it, or I do have a gold medal. See what I mean? So I'm officially a world champion in chess boxing. So now I have to go defend my title next year. But I am officially 100% a world champion in chess boxing. So in this weight class. So let me show you what happened here. Yeah, I was a sigh of relief here because he didn't play bishop f7. Man, so now I take on f2, and I could have went bishop c5, but I didn't want bishop f7 looming anymore at all. So I just castled first, and then he moved king h1 because there's no bishop c5 anymore. And here I just play, I'm playing the PHILIDOR, very simple, easy opening to play. Now I know I need to develop my pieces, so I start developing. Knight c5, bishop e6. After bishop takes, I take with the knight, put the knight on a good square. Look how much time he down, like I knew. How was his boxing skills? Bro, I didn't know this until afterwards. Sometimes it's good, and sometimes it's good to know, guys, or sometimes it's good to not know something before you do it. So for instance, imagine if you playing chess against a player and you don't see his rating. Generally, you actually will play better chess. But if you see the guy rating and he like 1,000 points higher rated than you, then you're probably going to play worse chess. So in this case, it was the same thing. I didn't know until afterwards. I looked at film of him before, and I was like, oh, okay, yeah, I got him. All right, I'm feeling confident. But I didn't know until afterwards that he had 20 years of boxing experience, and I don't.
He needs some milk.
I don't. I have 3. So I've been boxing 3 years. He has 20 years of boxing experience. So I learned this afterwards, and I was like, that makes sense. But now you'll see the boxing in a minute. So watch this. So that knock, we're about to go into boxing. Oh my goodness. Here we go. What's chess boxing? 3 minutes on, 3 minutes off. So 3 minutes in the ring. Right now it's 3 minutes of chess. Right? So they stopped the clock. And now we're gonna box for 3 minutes. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. No, this is real. I'm for real, bro. Look, I got a gold medal on right now, bro. I'm a world champion. Let's Dolly. We watching it right now. Look, bro. All right, let me tell you this, chat. This man was scary, bro. This man was scary. I was not trying to go a second round of boxing with my mans. Okay, 20 years of boxing experience. I've been boxing for 3, and I definitely got hands. I've been working on my craft for a long time with boxing. A lot of work, bro. This man was scary, bro. He was like, he weighed like 270, and then he's huge, and he towers me by like, I'm like 5'8". He was like 6'4", So I'm like, bro, why are you here, dog? You should be doing something else. Like, get your big butt. Like, he's just huge. He just big, bro. And watch this, bro. My man's is just big. Bro, he's so big. It's initiative. Thanks for 36, bro. Thanks for 36. Okay, chat, here we go. It gets... Oh, my goodness. This was scary, bro. This was scary. But it was nice. Like, I was holding my own, bro. I got hands. Like, Rocky went against Drago. Yeah, exactly. Look, he just tried to use his body weight, bro. Yeah, that's some nice jazz. Size matters, yeah, of course. dropped him. Dropped him. We dropped him. Hold on, bro. And they're gonna show you the side there, like how I dropped him with a straight right. But he's so big, bro. Like the man was using his weight, bro. The man was using his, they gonna show it again. They're gonna show it again, but the man was using his weight. Cause they're gonna show a different angle. That's my corner. Grab him and hold him and turn him. That's Jermaine. That's Jermaine, bro. Grab him and turn him, bro. And then
already with a big right hand damaging the deposit, putting him on the ground. A left hook lands for the Cossack. An uppercut lands for Canty. Another right hand lands for Canty. And one against the chin.
he got like 0 guard, but he just take blows. He don't care. He just take blows, bro. He's so big, dog. Dig into the gut a few times, bro. What happened was I remember hitting him in the stomach, and guess what? Nothing happened.
Bruh.
I was like, oh, we gonna have to do something else. This ain't working. This ain't working, bro. This ain't working. Like they was like, yeah, body shot, hit him, and he didn't move. I was like, okay, cool. Like, yeah, we gotta do something else. This ain't working. This is not working, bro. It's not working. You see, I'm tapping the body and he not moving. Yeah, that's my corner, bro. That's my corner. Jermaine was working. I was tired too, bro. I was tired. Right. And right there, that was a trip. That was a trip. So what happened here is I tripped over his body, and then he hit me when I was on the ground. So that, you know, I stand up. Everybody got mad. Everybody got mad. I'm standing up like, bro, what is that? Yeah, he punched me when I was on the ground. Yeah. So everybody got mad. He got a point taken away for that. Yeah. Yeah. How hard does he hit? He hit hard. He definitely hit hard. Yeah, that's my move your feet, bro. Oh yeah, let's see that. Let's see that real quick. Bro, I was so tired, bro. I was so tired. And I did a lot of conditioning. So now my new conditioning is sprints. That was so tired, bro. Oh, they're going to show the drop, too. There's the drop right here. Look. Boom. Straight. That was nice straight. What did you weigh in? I missed the beginning. I was I mean anything above a plus 100. Yeah, it was a straight. It was a straight. And that was it. I was saying to myself, I cannot make another boxing round. While he was walking at you like that, did you think you could get a point? Yeah, I did. I got a good right. I got a good straight in. Because I was walking backwards and then I lunged forward with the straight right. I thought he was watching. Yeah. What's up, King? What's good? Yeah. Tommy Hearns to be proud. Hitman Hearns. No, you see how much time he got? And I was saying to myself, I will not make it to another round of boxing. You said made or knockout? Correct. Yes, I did. Made or knockout. Then we're going to watch the other fight, too. Yeah, you see how fast I'm playing? We started with 4 minutes and 30 seconds. How long? 3 minutes. And I was saying to myself, I am going to die. If we go in this ring again, it's a wrap for your boy. It's a wrap. So I was like, we can't make it another round. We can't make it another round. But in the second boxing match, I knew we were gonna have to probably do 2, so I was prepared. But man, Crawford is the next person you gotta fight. Yeah, right, Crawford. He gonna have to come up to me. I ain't going down to him weight wise. We gotta be in the same weight class. He gonna have to come up, bro. Nah, you know what? I'd rather go down. You don't want a hard hitting Crawford. Like, you want Crawford to go up and hit harder? No, bro. You know what? I'll go down. You me to take down Jake Paul? Yeah, I think I would. But it's always fun. Did he have a rating? He was like 1800. Exactly. You don't want BuzzFeed at that weight, bro. Exactly. And that technique, nah. Crawford is a great chess player. Yeah, we don't want none of that. 1800 FIDE, yeah, FIDE. Both players I played. The other guy was 1800 FIDE and I think 2200 online. Would you tell about what I said? No, it's all weight classes, Astoli. So in weight class wise, we are around the same weight. I'm 235, he like 270. Is this first ever for me? Yes, for me. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Let's go. How did it feel to play? It's easy. Yeah, he shook my hand. He did. What up, Harvard? How was your nerves doing all of this? I was honestly, I boxed a lot, so I was fine. My nerves was good. My nerves was pretty good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Thank you, King Rich. She's gonna do it all on Benjamin's. Yes, sir. Hey, let's go. We got the dub. Dub corner, yes, sir. How much cash did you win? We can't disclose that, King Rich. That's not something we. This is dope. Oh, you gotta defend the bill. I am. I'm gonna defend it. Okay, now this is the first one. So watch. Now this is the second round right here. So this is the second round when I make it to the finals, basically here. Yeah, now he was a tall dude. Here we go. So this is the match before me. Unfortunately, in this match, Russia wins because Germany, it just wasn't a fight. Because he like dislocated his shoulder. So we went on earlier than I was supposed to. Here we go. Yeah, they was brawling. Let me look at this. They brawling. I was like, bro, oh my goodness. Oh my bro, they was brawling. I was on the side like, oh my goodness. It's a matter of who is going to knock. It's just nothing, bro. Exactly, straight bombs. Bro, they were just throwing them things, bro. And then look, he dislocated his shoulder. Yeah, he dislocated his shoulder. Is this by weight? It's all weight. All weight, Gypsy. All weight.
In this 100+ kilogram weight division, we have a final matchup between the United States.
Weighted ELO, exactly.
First to the stage, in the white corner with the white pieces, hailing from the United States of America. Give it up for FIDE Master James Canty III.
We was in Serbia. Yeah, underrated. Yeah. Looks like Simon Coward's team. Yeah. When's your next fight? Next year. Next year, defending. defending. I'm gonna do sparring, obviously, but my next fight, this a Russian dude. I'm not gonna lie, bro. He was throwing them things. He was like, he loved throwing his right hook. That's what I knew from watching his film. He loved throwing his right hook, bro. He loved throwing the right hook, and he threw a lot of them. Chat, I'm telling you, watch this. Yeah, of course. Yeah, the Russians are the most terrifying though. But yeah, this was the harder fight, and the reason being, harder fighter was the other guy. Harder fighter. Hardest fight was this one because I had 2 rounds. So watch this. 2 rounds of boxing. Chad, if you've never boxed before, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something real quick. I need you to understand. If you've never sparred or done anything, you imagine fighting for 3 minutes, right? 3 minutes of somebody trying to take your head off, bro. And then you got to keep your good form. You got to, bro, it's 3 minutes of boxing. So I really recommend, if you've never done it, try it yourself. Any type of martial art, but definitely boxing. Just try to box for 3 minutes. Set a timer and try to just box. Just throw, even if you don't know what to do. Throw the hands for 3 minutes and like really throw hands. You know what I mean? It's different, bro. Do you think chess boxing should become an Olympic sport? Yes. You gas? Exactly. I sparred my friend in the backyard for 4 minutes. It feels like an eternity. That was gas after round 1. Exactly. And imagine going 2 rounds. That's why after this, I have even more respect for professional boxers, And then I know in amateur fights, they have like 3, which I had a few fights before, but jumping rope at the beginning, gas me. Exactly. I don't care who you are, you gas correctly, bro. Correct and gain resistance. So it's important to understand, like, my new training is now sprints. There's going to be a lot of sprints, a lot more work, a lot more high intensity interval training. So I have more stamina when I'm in there throwing them hands. Right. So here we go. With his recent training, he could, well, I mean, it's possible. Anything's possible. But, I'm a world champ out here, dog. You know what I'm saying? Got that gold on body. You know what I'm saying? Got that gold on him. You don't know what to do. Exactly. Can you beat Amon? Amanda said he's not going to fight me. That's my dog. Shout out to Amon. He was watching too. I'm fine with sparring. The night orgasms me. Motor City proud. You already? Let's go. Motor City. Come on, dog. He got 20. Thank you, Papa TikTok. I felt like that, but I mean, they said he got 20 years of box experience. But I'm following the principles and going hard. So real quick, this is a difference here too in the time. We have 6 minutes now, and at first we have 4 minutes and 50 seconds. So with 6 minutes is likely to go 2 rounds of boxing because it changes because I'm in the final. So the last one was like a semifinal. So in the semifinal there, it's 4.5 minutes, and here you have 6 minutes. So you will have 3 minutes of boxing still, 3 minutes of chess, and 3 minutes of boxing. So let's see what happened. I told him, he said, that's funny. Shout out to Amon. Yeah, I texted him too. He was texting me throughout the thing. 6-year-old Mike. Yeah, exactly. He went 8 rounds. That's crazy to think about. That's crazy. So I'm playing white. Jar Jar Binks London. Congrats on the dub, bro. This is impressive. Respect. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
Canty immediately going for it as soon as he sees Keto set up H4, H5, poking at that bishop right away. And I can see he spent all of 4 seconds on his first 6 moves. Black here with a decision to make. Do you take the bait? Do you capture this pawn?
Did you virus Mike 8 rounds with your current trend? Come on, bro. 8 rounds? You crazy. You crazy. 2 rounds? Okay. 8? No, I'm not doing it. I was gassed so much after 2 rounds here, dog. I've never felt like this. Let me get you something. I'm gonna tell you something real quick. In the second round, guys, I've never felt like that before. I really thought I was like this, but this is it. Oh, this is it. This is over. Because I mean, it was just so I was so tired, bro. My legs, my body, everything wanted to give out. I gave everything. I gave it my all there in the ring, bro. The adrenaline, exactly. The adrenaline was the only thing keeping me alive. But oh my goodness, and he was gassed too. Like, it's just incredible how tired you get doing this. First round, I was good. Second round, I'm like, whoo, man. I remember I like laid down for like 30 minutes after the round. Did you get buzzed? No, in all the matches, no. I was just very tired. very tired. I was like, I was definitely incredibly tired. Yeah, he was feeling the same way. Definitely was. But he has some hooks, bro. Like, I mean, I could throw a hook, but his rights were vicious. His right hand is vicious. His right hand. And I knew prepping for this, I had to make sure I was like, how do I get around that right hand? Because his right was vicious. I remember what he was doing in other matches. They do. They train. Yeah. You see how fast I'm moving too? I knew my strategy. Always move fast. You box myself. You have a lot to do. Yeah, I do a lot of running too. But I think if you are boxing, you planning on fighting, bro, you need to input sprints in. You need to really emulate real time fighting. Real time. Like not, you know, the sparring light and like running is not really emulating a real fight, bro. The sprints is where it's at. That's what I learned from after this. Big thing I took away is sprints. A lot more sprints. And then with a little rest in between. Sprint, you know, take like 30 seconds to a minute of rest and sprint again. All out sprints. Yo, what's up, Sleazy?
As the bell rings, 13 seconds off of Canty's clock. I don't know if we've ever seen less time come off a clock on a first chess round.
Yeah, sprinting is important. They say even at when you get, they said over the age of 30, it said it's like I forgot 90% of people are 30 and above never sprint again in their life. I was like, dang, that's crazy to think about, you know. So it's cool they put that in there just to beat the statistic.
In the American corner, Jermaine Howlett and Alexander Velikanov tuning up Canty as he prepares for his first chess boxing world championship final against another debut finalist.
Good work. Thank you, Big Nar. Hey, thanks for the sub. Let's go, Mike. Come on. Thanks for the subs to the channel, Mike. All right, here we go. All right, guys. This was, listen, he can box, bro. He can box. He definitely got hands. He definitely got hands. He's very aggressive. Very aggressive. Can you talk about your aggressive chess scores? Sure. Sure. Bro, he's just throwing them boys. What's up, Cleve? It is insane, huh? I practice a lot of head movement, though. I'm still working on that one, King Rich. For the next year, come on. Exactly, let me upon exactly. $235. I'm a little bit lower, lighter now. Can cause yourself. No qualms with brain boxing can cause yourself. Assessor. Oh. Yeah, I think brain damage comes from getting hit in the head, which I don't be getting hit. I be moving around. I know how to move. I don't be getting hit, bro. If you just stand there and take hits, yeah, I mean, oh, your turn. All right, your turn. Now you gonna get some brain damage. It was a lot of that here too. People just standing there. I'm like, move your head. Move out of the way. Move. What up, Soul Man 7? What's good, bro?
Russian approaching again. Canty in a corner. Ducking out of range. Coming back for a big right hand. A jab sends Canty back in the ropes. Caught by a right hand after he bounces back. Canty with guard up.
Woo, woo. Boy, hold on, bro. Hold on. The head movement there.
Caught by a right hand after he bounces back. Canty with guard up.
Woo. Bro, he not touching nothing, bro. He's thanks for the follow. He definitely called me once or twice though.
10-second warning has been sounded. Men are in the clinch in the final seconds of this round.
I'm gassed. I'm tired. I'm out there tired.
Guard up in the corner.
But he did. He was wearing himself out. He was getting tired. I was getting tired too, though. I was getting tired too. I'm like tired. And then I'm like, and I'm thinking to myself, bro, we got to do another round. It's guaranteed we're doing another round.
Canty around the ring into the corners. But the thing to watch is what we're about to get back to, which is on the board, only 13 seconds off of White's clock. And I'll let our chess commentator take it away with the positional analysis.
I mean, you have to marvel at that speed. 13 seconds off the clock for 19. Good move.
You got him on the chin. Yeah. Caught him on the chin.
Center under control. Putting pressure on the black cam. But now the real test coming back.
Bro was throwing hands. He be throwing them boys. The uppercut was nice. Yeah. I wish I could have caught it cleaner. It would have been nice, but I couldn't catch it as clean.
No pieces being
Great camera shots. Yeah, great camera shots. Yeah. Congrats. Thank you, bro.
slipping and bobbing and weaving at that weight. Extremely impressive.
I don't think that with such a boxing round, he's really going to fear going back in the ring. He's going to be able to keep his, his
Right?
composure.
He has the luxury now, as you said, to spend a little bit on the clock. And what I liked is he was very quick. He had about 30 seconds after that round just sitting there at the board, catching his breath, focusing on what he's going to do next. And that seems to be putting a rook on F1, challenging the black king here, pinned to the bishop. Showing no signs of slowing down, in spite of showing good prowess in the ring. D5.
I don't actually find Black's position that bad. I just
What are those 2.5 pounds? Nothing actually. It's just we got the ear. It's like, you know, it was. We could still hear, bro. Even though it was like, that's why commentary had to be chill. Like you couldn't tell a lot of moves because we could actually hear still.
actually got like something to bite into to claim that this isn't a punt, other than the clock.
I think what we should start doing here is spending more time here.
Yeah, maybe switching gears, thinking, okay, I can weather the storm in boxing. I can take 2 rounds, maybe even 3.
Because here's a lot of pressure now.
And actually think about how you are going to bring over the board.
I think he's
Evgeny pacing up also.
and a smart trade of knights there. Knight F6 challenging the bishop. And
He was playing well online. He like 2250.
like,
Yeah, he's 2250 online.
however, what James does
You know, so definitely strong. But I'm up so much time. I'm just exactly. I'm up 3 minutes. So like, I don't care what's going on. I'm literally just moving as fast as humanly possible. Like I'm playing it like bullet chess. Like, who cares what's really going on? As long as I'm not down a lot of material, I should be fine. And I'm good at making positions very wacky and like lots of tactics and sharp stuff. So for instance, in this game, it's kind of like that. Like once he takes his pawn, my rook lift look crazy, but you know, his king not castled. There's an open game. There's a rook in the corner with tactics still. The F file's open. It's wacky. And he has to think about all of this, you know, with a minute and some time left.
run his opponent out of time with pressure,
He takes, I go rook d3, you know, complicated.
things to think about. And at some point here, Evgeny's going to have to really pick up the pace, and we'll see if he can still be playing good moves at that point, because Evgeny is up a couple pawns at this stage. But both kings kind of in limbo.
At the same time, the squares in front of these pawns serve almost like a perfect place.
Congratulations. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Glarong. I appreciate it.
The black pieces
Got my gold medal on right now.
inactive.
Got it on. You know what I mean? Got that boy on right now.
You could keep up the status quo, but very difficult to move forward
Grass champ, what up, Limitless? I can't tell you how sad I was, bro. I can't tell you, when I heard that knock, 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 that's 10 seconds, letting us know that there's only 10 seconds left of chess before you go box. And I'm sitting here like, bro, you're kidding me, right? You're kidding me. If you've never went 2 rounds of boxing, let me explain this to you, chat. If you've never went 2 rounds of boxing, 3 minutes, you don't know what this feels like. You don't know what this feels like. And right here, I was like, this could go really good or really bad. It's going to go really good or it's going to go really bad. I mean, I'm tired. I'm gassed here, bro. I have to go another 3 rounds with this guy trying to take my head off. Do what I got to do. Even if you're in great shape, exactly. Spiral cycle. This is why all this next year, I'm doing sprints. I'm doing sprints. My corner telling me what to do. Yeah, I'm a world champ now. I am a world champ, Sleazy. Yeah, 3 minutes of another human being trying to kill you with their bare hands. Exactly.
The Russian determined, looking across the ring, knowing his duty.
They are watching. That's right. They are watching. I just need to get my my sparring, my sprints up. That's right. Nice job. Thank you. Absolutely. Definitely favorite in all chess games. Those reflexes, come on, right? Like, look, this was nice. This exchange right here was nice. This was nice. Yeah, bullet pays off in real life. My corner like yelling jab. And then my mouthpiece came out. That hook hit him hard, that left hook, but he kept going, bro. He kept going. My mouthpiece came off. Thank you, Big Nar. Appreciate it. I'm gassed. Here I lost the point because I kept keeping my head down on the clinch, but I'm like, bro, I'm about to die. What do you mean, bro? I don't care. You can take 2 points. I'm about to win on time. I just need to get through the round. I was trying to win the ring because yeah, he's good on board. Exactly. We gassed, bro. When we both gassed. Anybody bleed? People was bleeding. I didn't, but people were bleeding. Black eyes, people bleeding, bro. This is a real thing. It's real. When when I heard that 10 seconds, I got a wave of energy. I was so hyped, bro. When I heard that 10 seconds, I was like, oh, 10 seconds? Oh, I can survive. Oh, we good. Oh, we good. Bro, I was about to pass out. I was literally about to pass out, bro. The ropes are your best friend? Not really. I mean, if you know how to use the ropes. I know how to use the ropes.
And it's down 2 pawns. Back over to William and Carl.
Absolutely blinding speed. Incredible round of boxing. Both fighters are going to need to go back to the board, though.
That was it. Man, I was rough in there, bro. And I'm sitting down like, listen, they was telling me in the corner, bro, you don't even got to move fast. I'm like, I don't hear none of that. I don't hear none of that, bro. How do you think the top 10, if they had a chance by and say, oh, it'd be, I don't know. Actually, that's a good question. Oh, man. You moving your head so well, he missed a lot of punches. Yeah, definitely. I practiced that, though. I practiced in sparring. Moving my head a lot, evading punches. One of my favorite fighters is Canelo, who does the same thing. My guy was fighting for life. Yeah, we made it all that, exactly. Favorite fighters is Canelo, obviously a Tyson build for me. I like Shakur Stevenson footwork. And then now I'm getting more into David Benavidez with combinations. So I'm trying to, you know, learn those. Just get better with combos. But my favorite of those was Canelo for sure. For sure. See, if Chester became a fighter or a fighter who entailed up. Let's go. You know, I was a Chester.
5 minutes on the clock versus 10 seconds.
Advanced skill, yeah, very crazy other skills might be. Yeah, absolutely. Which you know, I always say you want to hit and not get hit. Right. So I believe in that a lot. You want to hit and not get hit.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a technical checkmate on the board.
I'm tired, bro. I'm like, yo,
And making his way in
I'm about to go to sleep.
the 100+ kilogram world champion.
I'm about to go to sleep, bro. I'm about to pass out. About to pass. What age did you get physical? I started boxing at 30. I've been boxing 3 years. But I was already lifting. Man, I'm like so tired, bro.
Weight division. Winner by technical checkmate timeout.
Yeah, we were friendly with opponents after right here. We started talking after this.
Master James Canty III. Earning a gold medal for the United States. And congratulations to Russia for the silver medal placement.
You spoke good English? Yeah, he's pretty good with his English. He's pretty good. Yeah, I have to defend the title now. I have to defend the title.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a world championship.
No, he was Russian. He's Russian.
Thank you for having us.
No, I'm sitting there like, bro, hurry up with these pictures, bro. I need to go to sleep, bro. I was so tired. I'm like, I was like, do y'all understand I was fighting for my life just now? Like, I left it all out there in the ring. What's the flag? It's a Russian flag. And then we talked a little bit. I was like, man, you crazy. Great boxer, bro. Good stuff. I'll see you next year. He's like, yo, you're so fast. You know, it was just talking. Yeah.
We want to fill this thing out. Whether it's this arena or another around the world, thank you for making the trip here.
Mm.
sport, our community. Thank you for fighting
Oh, not the Russian flag? Oh, I'm not sure.
the arena.
I don't know. Oh, there's Serbia. If we mean that, there's a Serbian flag, I think.
Ladies,
One of them Russian, one was probably Serbian.
Chess TV. Thank you so much for tuning in to witness our sport in action at the highest level. This is the world coming together to compete in brain and brawn. If you want to get involved, please reach out. Find your local chess boxing club, follow on social media, or find me personally.
Yeah, Russian.
With Matt, I am happy to plug you in wherever you need to be.
Chat, that was it, chat. And that was it. I enjoyed it. Thanks. I'm definitely checking out next year. Yeah, I'll be there next year, guys. I got to defend my title. So now I got to show y'all the gold medal before we get up out of here for the night. Now I got to show y'all the gold medal live. So here it is, chat. You know what I mean? I'm a world champ, like straight up world champ. I've changed it on all of my, on everything. You know what I mean? I've changed it on all my socials. You see it? And it's heavy too. It's weight on there. There's some weight on this thing. I'm a world champ, chat. I can walk around. I can say I'm a world champ. I'm a real world champ. You know what I mean? I'm a real one. A real world champ. So thank you guys for watching. We also put this on YouTube. So if you're watching on YouTube, make sure you guys subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.